One of my favorite experiences was at DuBrule's, an evening with women. It was such an empowering night for me because I was able to talk to other women and share their stories, share mine. We gave each other encouragement. We saw how we all looked and what we had come from and where we were now. One woman who carried around in her wallet a picture of DuBrule's and their ad for this marvelous, marvelous hair that I am wearing. And it took her 5 years to have the courage to walk through those doors. And she came to the event with all the other women around, and when she told the story, there really wasn't a dry eye anywhere, because to think that for 5 years she thought about this and finally had the courage to come have her hair done. She told the story of traveling with her husband and her son and going to the United States and visiting San Francisco and the wind blowing and her feeling so confident. And she said she carries that picture still just to remind her that this is what it brought to her. But this is the kind of story you hear. You hear story of women coming through terrible illnesses. You hear stories of women coming through tensions in their life, losses in their life, which all of these are factors in losing hair. As I said, there's so many individual stories. It's a remarkable, remarkable thing to do, and it's something that I will continue doing as long as I am wearing this wonderful hair, which is going to be a permanent thing for me. I love being with women who I feel give their strength back to you and who I can give a little bit of strength to. There's nothing more empowering than a group of women together fighting for something. And we're fighting for ourselves.